Taking only #1 as its core development goal, by virtue of hard work in the past 2 decades, Major has become a role model and a true leader in the industry. Major Group consists of 3 factories and 1 company, namely Zhejiang Major Technology Company Limited, Zhejiang Wind Power Precision Machinery Company Limited, Ningbo Major Draft Beer Equipment Company Limited, and Ningbo Master International Trade Company Limited, which cover OEM division, CNC machine division, and draft beer division. OEM division is mainly involved with production of fire sprinklers, as well as relevant parts for automatic firefighting systems, stainless steel keg necks, and stainless steel flexible hose. It is our superior quality and considerate service that have put Major's footprint in every corner of the world. With the aim of becoming #1 in the industry, following our corporate spirits of simple, focused, rigorous, we would further improve our incentive system, continue to forge a robust and innovative team, and carry on the mission of creating maximum value for our clients.